Come test drive the 2000 Excursion. The Ford Excursion is the full-sized SUV offered by Ford Motor Company. The SUV is a heavy-duty vehicle for both commercial and rural use. The Ford Excursion was brought into production as direct competition to the Suburban. With multiple engine options, this SUV can handle anything from carrying an entire group of people in comfort to hauling cargo over the back roads of rural America and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, roof rack, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, trip computer, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.